Hey everyone, so today I'm going to show you how to set up a donation page with InfinitePay.io. Whether you are raising funds for a charity, project or personal cause, InfinitePay.io makes it easy to collect donations. So let's get started. First of all, log into your InfinitePay.io account using your username and password. Now navigate to the donation pages or fundraising section. This is where you can create and manage your donation pages. Now select on create new donation page or a similar option to start setting up your donation form. Now enter the details for your donation page, including the campaign name, description, donation goals and any specific fundraising objectives. Now customize the donation page with visuals such as images or videos to engage potential donors and explain your cause. Set up donation options by specifying the donation amounts, payment methods and any recurring donation options if applicable. Configure additional settings such as thank you messages and donation receipts to ensure donors receive confirmation and appreciation for their contributions. Now publish your donation page and share the link through your website, social media and email campaigns to reach your potential supporters. Monitor donations and track your progress through the InfinitePay.io dashboard. You can view donation amounts, manage donor information and assess your fundraising efforts. And there you have it. You have successfully learned how to set up a donation page with InfinitePay.io. This feature helps you collect and manage donations effectively, supporting your fundraising goals. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching and see you next time.